How to buy Alchemist AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Alchemist. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on buy this token, as you can see, this token it's increased by 400 million% in the last 24 hours, as you can see here, guys. And the market cap of this token it's $800 million, and the volume is $8 million. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, as you can see here, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the Solana network. Now the best wallet for that is Phantom Wallet. Now open your Phantom Wallet, log into your accounts. Sorry, just log into your accounts like that. After that, click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, in here, just paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. After that, enter how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So after that, what you need to do, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Alchemist token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.